Hello, this is Matt on the Moon Lambo channel, and not fun price action today, I know, but if you've been following these videos that I make pertaining to the price action of the crypto asset class XRP, it probably hasn't surprised you because the sentiment that we've been seeing over the last several days in particular was that it was certainly a decent probability that you could see Bitcoin get into $8,000 to $8,200 range. So it's kind of heading that direction, has been today certainly. But, it doesn't mean that the sky is falling. So in this video, I'm going to share with you all sorts of fresh opinions from traders and chart analysts in the XRP community and the world of crypto at large. I want to be clear here, I am not some sort of financial professional. In fact, I am the exact opposite. I'm just an everyday Joe Schmo member of the XRP community. This is an XRP-centric channel that I run as a hobby for fun. I love talking about this stuff. But you should not buy or sell because of anything that I say. That would be very stupid. I want to be very clear about that. I have no financial background. And again, so this is just for the fun of it. I like to talk about this stuff. That's why these videos and my channel as a whole exist, frankly. Anyway, before we go any further, if you would please delicately tap that like button. And if you're absolutely sick of hearing my disclaimers that are extra heavy on videos about price, go ahead and subscribe to the Moon Lambo channel. But I'm not going to stop the disclaimers. Damn it, it's the right thing to do. So there we go. Anyway, so the crypto asset class got a market cap of $226 billion. Hear that? Doll hairs? What's that from? That's from some movie. Somebody help me with that. Drop it in the comments below. Doll hairs instead of dollars? What is that from? I can't recall. That escapes me. But anyway, Bitcoin's at $8,345 and XRP's at 22.1 cents. And here's the 24-hour chart. Oh my God! Why, computer? If you would freaking load. What is going on here? This is grinding my gears up a bit here. I'm not gonna lie. This is really grinding my gear. Live coin watch load. What is going on here? You're ruining my video. I had this all mapped out here. Oh, come on. Oh, Lord. Well, the other stuff seems to be loading. Well, I guess I can't tell you about show you the 24-hour update on the price action. All right, live coin watch, everybody. Let's move on beyond that. Okay, so we'll just jump right into analysis from Dennis Surachek. He's a chart analyst with crypto media outlet You Today. And he always titles his videos as Top 3 Price Predictions, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. Can bull show any resistance before sharp decline? And we're just going to scroll right on down to the XRP section. XRP is trading according to our latest price prediction. Moreover, the rate has gone below the 23-cent level and is now located near 22 cents, even though XRP has lost 2.85% over the last day. The current level is not the local bottom. The lines of the MACD indicator are moving downward, as is the trading volume index. A more likely scenario is bears continuing to push the rate deeper to the closest level of 22 cents. And so, I guess they kind of hit the nail on the head. I do remember reporting on that just the other day. Here's another piece right here. XRP could dip to 20.7 cents in around a week. And this is by chart analyst from a crypto media outlet AMB Crypto. His name is Manu Naik, whose name I am likely butchering because it's foreign, and I just don't know how to say it. All right, for the first time since late September, XRP is in a bullish market, having finally risen above the 25-cent mark just days ago. The trend didn't persist too long before XRP pulled back down to the 22.5-cent level, where it is valued at the time of writing. CoinMarketCap showed XRP with a market capitalization of over $9.9 billion, with more than $1.5 billion worth of XRP traded in the last 24 hours. Now, let's go ahead and jump down below, because in these videos, as many of you are already aware, I try to avoid as much of the technical reasons for the analysis as possible, because I think most of us out there are not traders and do not understand all that jibber-jabber. Can I use that bunch of jibber-jabber these TAs are talking about here? So I'd rather just get to the conclusions, cut to the chase, because nobody else is doing that in the world of crypto here. So here we go. Here's the conclusion from this chart analyst. XRP is likely to break down from the ascending channel formation, despite the 50 MA in place for a bullish movement. The bearish divergence indicated the stochastic, I forgot how to pronounce that now. I knew it the other day. Stochastic RSI. This is why I don't get into the jibber jabber of the technical analysis here. So anyway, indicated by the stochastic RSI indicator makes it far more likely that the coin will move downward over the next week. A downward breakout would likely see XRP pushed down to the 20.7 cent mark at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level before February arrives. Yeah. So Fibonacci, great Italian restaurant. Try the veal. It's delicious. Endless breadsticks. All right, so altcoin market following early Bitcoin path could lead to life-changing wealth. The price chart of the current altcoin market closely resembles that of the early Bitcoin price chart and could signal that whoever is buying the current dip across the crypto market could end up generating life-changing wealth from their investment. When Bitcoin first was released into the wild, nobody knew what the asset or technology was, and it was virtually worthless. But those that bought the first major dip in Bitcoin may have caught the greatest financial opportunity that's ever existed, ... until now. According to one cryptocurrency analyst comparing the trajectory of early Bitcoin to the price chart of the total altcoin market cap, the price action taking place on both charts is extremely similar. The analyst says that those that are buying the altcoin dip currently, much like what occurred in early Bitcoin, will make, quote, life-changing wealth from here. And so here's a tweet from High Altitude Investing, which I have highlighted on the channel several times in the past. And so he wrote this. Altcoins are following Bitcoin's 2011 to 2012 early cycles perfectly. Life-changing wealth is going to be made here. The volume profiles are exactly the same. Colored boxes showing the repeat of human emotional cycles. I expect a double bottom breakout. Interesting stuff. Well, this is an interesting time to be in the world of crypto. It almost like we're going to look back on these as the good old days, likely. Because you imagine another decade or two out, once all the frenzy around the technology dies down and there's less volatility, it's not going to be nearly as interesting, I suspect. But who knows? We'll see. It's a lot of fun right now, though. All right, here's a tweet from chart analyst DIY Investing. He writes, "This is the last bearish push we are going to see before all of crypto absolutely explodes. I'm literally all in with everything I have. I don't have enough cash to pay my bills type of bullish, all in." We aren't the same. See you guys at the top. So there you go. He is absolutely one. Now, mind you, he stated in the past, and I mentioned this, I think, on the channel too. So 100% of his net worth is in crypto, but he's also 21, and so he made the point on his own that even if he's wrong, it wouldn't be the end of the world to recover or anything along those lines. Now, I'm a 36-year-old man. I am not taking that approach. I'm happy to put in only what I am willing to lose in case I'm completely wrong about this whole crypto thing again. Now, as I always say, I am Mr. XRP Bull, so I don't think that I'm wrong about this. That's why I continue to put money in, but still, just in case. I don't want anything devastating at 36 years old. So here we go. Now here's another series of tweets, and it's with Patty Stash. He writes, "Just once, I wish the rest of the market didn't follow Bitcoin and instead had a mind of its own, looking like another possible rejecting incoming on the altcoin volume. It's been literally 4 effing months that this has traded sideways. How much longer will it take? LOL. Come on." And you can see what he's got here is the altcoin market cap dominance right there. And then he wrote, "If this happened, I wouldn't be upset, LOL." And this chart is he's just stating that if it broke up, for altcoin dominance right there. And then somebody named Mike B responded to that and wrote, "You will never see an alt run like that again. That was a FOMO run. And then people made money and realized." To which Patty Stash responded, "You seem to know everything. Just wait until Bitcoin is over $150,000 in 2022 or so, and alts do their thing." All right, next, here's a tweet from Josh Rager. Sounds angry. This is about Bitcoin. $8,000 to $8,165 has been an important area since May of 2019. Expect a bounce here, even if short term. If price breaks the support with ease, will likely continue down. We'll trade the range. Happy to hit the short button if we break market structure back into old range. All right, last tweet for this video comes from Leb Crypto. It's Bitcoin. Further sideways boring chop until end of February, then breaking out strong from this IH&S. That should be inverted head and shoulders. Oh my god, I'm learning. Damn it, I'm learning taste. I'm trying to not learn stuff. Damn it. Inverted head and shoulders to conclude the reaccumulation phase. Wishful thinking, or is this actually happening? Meanwhile, decent alt season to continue? And the inflection at the end of my voice is because he had a question mark. And he writes, time will tell, hashtag Bitcoin. What do you think in terms of the price action? Are you spooked by downturns in the market like we saw today? Do you think that the best days in terms of XRP price action are ahead of us? I'd love to hear what you think. But for now, that's it. I am not a financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything because of anything that I say or write. That would be a very, very, very bad idea. Until next time, to the moon, Lambo!